kore peke whanau me whanau. Tāne whaki lea. Fakafetai peke a siroa, e o kulereia, e o koloma, e tai ngata e alo ofa. God is good. All the time. First of all, I want to just thank the Heavenly Father for this day today. Without the Lord, this is the Lord's plan today, so I just want to thank the Lord for everything that He's done for our little family. And also, I'd like to thank Fakafetai and Fakafetai Sunday Baila and their worship team as well. Thank you guys. Also, I'd like to thank my mom and dad. Tatalana Fayu and Tasi. I just felt you guys and I wouldn't be here today, and I thank you very much for being very good parents. And I know that I was a pretty hard case growing up, but I love you guys, mom and dad. And wise man told me this. What's his name? Tasi told me that if your mom and dad are still alive today, your class is one of the luckiest person here on this earth today. So I feel really lucky that my mom and dad are still here to celebrate my daughter's 21st. And I wish that my grandmother was here, Hulitamoa. I wish that she was here today to celebrate the birthday, but life goes on. And another one is my brother Hoko. I wish that Papa was here as well. I love you, Papa. You know, still, I always love him, but another one I want to thank you is my auntie Lotu. I love you, auntie. I love you and your family, and I know that you always love me as well. And auntie Noah as well. She's not here today, but I've got to acknowledge her. And to my beautiful sister. Say Tasi. Sure. Yeah. Well, this is my sister here, so I love her so much, and she does everything for my daughter. She'll just jump for anything to do with my daughter. And you, Ben, I love you, little Ben. Look, it's my other little sister there. And thank you, Lotu, for everything you've done, man. And Manieta, love you too, Etta. Thank you. My two little brothers, Peter Tasi, right there. Sorry. And also I want to acknowledge my uncle, Fakafetai, Hoko. I want to just say thank you to Fatai as well. Fatai Moko, thank you very much, Fatai. To you guys, because she's always there with me as well. Now, that was my family, and I want to just jump to my wife's family. My wife's family. If it wasn't for my wife's family, I'll probably be in jail by now. But they're the one who drove me into getting closer to the Lord, and I thank my wife's family for that. Foshi, I love you, Foshi, for everything you've done for me. Thank you for dealing with us. Thank you, Heather. And also Joe, Emma, thank you very much. My beautiful Sila over there, she's my other daughter as well. Yeah. Also, Tasi, thank you very much for what you've done for Denise and what you've done for me, teaching me everything that you know. Thank you for trusting me with your kids. Thank you, B. And I know I'm not the best, but thank you very much. But I try my best to be one of the good uncles. Yeah. Thank you to Sia and Rick. Love you, Sia. Thank you for preparing my speech today. So. Thank you, Katie, and also, Saya and Offa. Mao, Saya, Fred and Elise. So Elise is our MC. And Fred's up there somewhere, but thank you very much, Freddie, with the hat back over there. And who else did I need to say? Sarah and Lee as well. Thank you for coming and joining us to celebrate Denise's birthday. I just want to just touch on a little bit about Denise when she was growing up. She wasn't the smallest girl in the group, but she had a lot of advantage of that. So she thought that she would grow taller than me when she was 21, but by the looks of it, she's nearly there. But when she was young, she used to love netball. She used to love netball, but netball is a contact, a non-contact sport. But with Denise, man, oh my goodness, it was like playing rugby. But she was really good in her legs. She was good with her feet, sidestepping her. But right now, she's 21. She's sidestepping from everything else, like dishes and washing. But Denise knows that I love her. But lastly, I just want to read a memory verse, Joshua 1 verse 8. Keep this book of law always on your lips, meditate on day and night, so that you may be careful to do everything written on it, then you'll be prosperous and successful. This is the important part. I know that we don't have our 21st key for your niece, but this is the key to life. This is any troubles that you have in life, it's all here, all the answers are all in this book. So, I love you, niece. So thank you, niece. Thank you very much, guys.
want you to know that I love you so much. Thank you for this gift. Thank you, Dad, for the most precious gift of all. This book of life will be my guide, my compass, and my everything, as it will unlock heaven on earth and will lead me to eternity. I know without this key, I will be lost. Someone saying that I'm not giving you the key back because I need it. But stay with you at home forever. Besides living those dishes and washing. Thank you. Hi everyone. First and foremost, I want to thank first and foremost, I want to thank God for where I am today. I want to thank Him for the life that I've lived and for each and every person who's here today. I want to thank God for favoring me, because I feel like I'm truly blessed to be here, surrounded by very important people to me in my life. I want to thank our Grandma Father for blessing me today, sharing His blessings. I think it is God's plan that you are here today to bless me and share words of wisdom. As you share that verse, then our aim over here is to shine. I also want to thank our thank you, son, and also to settle as well. We will putting together the worship. I thank the worship team as well. Halayano, Sane, Denita, thank you guys for sacrificing your time to practice and perform today. Settle, also thank you as well for always welcoming us into your home with open arms. Thank you for always sharing your words of wisdom as well. Also to Konga as well. He's also done the same thing throughout this week. Thank you for that. Next, I want to thank my dad's sisters, the eldest, my auntie, Papa, her auntie Rupa, and Auntie Queen at the back down there. These women would do anything for me. Doesn't matter what time of the day it is, call them and then pick up the phone and come running. So I'm so grateful to have them. I'm also their first daughter as well, so just in case anyone forgets who's the real princess, it's me. So yeah, just make sure. I didn't want a big birthday to celebrate. This is not something I wanted, but I wouldn't disregard the hard work that my family has put in. So I do want to thank my second mothers, Auntie Sia, Auntie Lee, Auntie Opa, Auntie Sheila as well, I also want to thank Auntie Pussy, and Auntie Lisi. And Selika, of course. I want to thank these women not only for the hard work that was put in for today, but in raising me to be who I am today. I want to thank you all for raising me as your own, loving me as your own daughter, always welcoming me into your home, and I also want to thank my Auntie Lisi. This is the MC if anyone missed it. I'm not sure if anyone knows this. Auntie Lisi is one of my favorite people in the whole world. She has the most loving energy and always brightens up the room. So to hear that she would MC on my birthday, I was over the moon. I love to hear my auntie talk because she's very genuine and she always keeps it short and sweet. I think Lisi was more silent and spoken than anyone else. But I am so grateful for her and my other aunties too for others as well. My sister, of course. I also want to thank my siblings, Sam, Katie, Hala, William, Siva, Anand Walker, Stars, can't say anyone else. Thank you for your hard work as well, for prepping for this birthday. You guys did more work than I did. What I did was wake up and we did my makeup and come here. But thank you guys. Appreciate you guys holding me around. Just want to thank my uncles as well. Thank you, Uncle Henry. I'm not sure you are, but Henry really treats me and my sister, Tasi, as his own kids. He's loved me and my family very well. Uncle Pussy, Uncle Fred, Uncle Saya, Uncle Lofa, thank you to my Uncle Leppy and his family there, Emma, Isaiah, Nathan. This family spoils us and treats us very well. We're so grateful to have them. Such loving hearts, and we're so grateful to have you. I also want to thank my dads, as well, my uncles, Uncle Peter, Uncle Siale, Uncle Wani, Polo. Thank you guys. Thank Stars. Being such a good sister. My grandparents, Mom, Bob, love you guys so much. You guys are my whole world, and we love you a lot. Every year since I was little, on my birthday, I always go to my grandma and ask her how much money she's going to give me. So after that, I'll ask you that. My parents will probably kill me if I didn't give this girl her own thank you. So thank you to see that. Thank you for your guidance and advice as a little sister. My family's lucky to have you. The last people I want to thank are my parents. Thank you, Mom and Dad, for loving me unconditionally. And thank you for your patience. Mom, thank you for installing such a being quite strict on me. I think it's quite disciplined. Thank you for your life lessons and for loving me. You are the best mom that I could have. Dad. My dad is one of the most hard-working people that I know. My dad does everything. That is my best friend. That truly loves me and my little family, my sister and my mom. You can see the two. Words can't explain how grateful I am to have a dad like me. But yeah. I want to thank you guys so much. Everyone who's here as well. I thank my friends too, being people I can confide in, entertaining people as well. Thank you for the good memories and yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Denise. Denise is so right that Maya is her best friend. And that's the real reason, Denise, that Maya didn't give you a key. Because if you had got married and moved away, you would have no friends. Something else that some of you might not know about the special relationship that Maya and Denise have is that they're really close. And these times that they've reversed their roles, like Maya becomes a child and Denise becomes a parent. And then you add Lolini into it and they both become children. So anyway, thank you. So I think we're going to go straight on so dinner will be served at 7:30. So I think we've got just the right amount of time. Denise, Hulitamoa, Zion, Tasi. Ihemoi tanofua, wananofo, aikitahine koeni, hinewo matua. Peama Fakafetai na ikiheiki, otai hamotratau. Kone au hafungani ai otua. Ne whakafonga ke mana manama e whae. Pea ala ke tau katoa ngai, ai ka ua tahau Denise i he ahoi. Ka tapu heri ke whanau e ke tangata i whai whekau. Se ke kāri se niare mo ala whengata. Ka pono tokoni, whai whekau si ore paea. Whataka atu tia ko uli aho e se toa talahi e siasi. Pehe ki he siasi, kau ngā mea. Family eiki, family Haamoa o Hulitamoa. Ai au me whakatataha i ki tau tolu i he aho ko e. Whatapa kia te koe Denise. Ko Denise, ma e vale ki tahine mo ni ko nukingoa ko tō nise, ko whahingoa kene kui ka tirema. Ai ako hingoa tirema ko tō nise tirema. Pea, fulahe lea whakaparai a tirema, ta mai tirema ke tuka tō nise ka ai Denise. Pea, ka nukinga ai a hingoa o Denise whai whekau, he nai ke whiwhiri ko hao ui ai Denise. Ko e Hulitamoa, ko e whakahingoa ia ki he kui o whaanga a paea, nai ngāhi te wha Australia a paea, te nai whakaanga a paea ke Lotu a hingoa o e kui he hingoa o Denise. Ka ko paea ko e ki tamba unganga whakasaio ne pēia. Nai take wha Australia hoko ko e ki sipi i hako angelo, te whakawā paea ke whakahoko hingoa Denise, ko Denise Hulitamoa Zion Tasi. Ko whiawhia i he hoa ko eni, he whakahoko atu ai whatongia ai ngāhi whae. I oko eni ai aho ko whakatu e si hova, tau haka ai mo whakawhiawhia. Tau ai mo si hova ke ne whakamo ui mua, tau ai mo si hova ke ne whakamo nu ia. Ke wano ia si hao i waha o si hova. Fakafetai ko tau kau whakataha. Ai family, Konga maheni, mo siasi e hoa ko eni. Pea, ko e aho pe nia o e unganga whakahawhekas. Ko e uhinga ko e konga Haamoa o paea. Pea ko e ai mono konga ni feitu o mama o atu. Ai feitu ko o pela osi ko tautolo a te pāne o no. Pea to e hau whakataha ko unganga o tōri ni me he kolo whita a koe ko la paha. Pea o ku ana kehe e tau kehe i he aho ko e. Fakafetai, ai Lotu lelei a Denise o ne whakaamu te ia te tuku e de kehe ko ngahi tukuita. Koe anu me lotua mo whai no au kai ki ai. Ke hoko e tau whiohi, ko ha whiohi whakalanu. Ko ha whiohi e whia o merino. Pea e kau mai no lau mai e te tau i puna doa. Ko e kehe o Denise, Hulitamoa, Zion, whai o Tasi. O kui kai, ko e kehe o tau anga maheni ai. Ke kai te pea osi. Ka kohano keke e kai i mau ki hataini. Pe osi, ko tai auma. He koe kai e whola e o tua. Pe ahoani e ne tala. O ki kai moia e tangata i māte. Ka te he ngahi whola ko toa pe. O ku alu atu. Ne fofonga o tua. Ko ia ai e ne pehe. Ko e uluaki keke. Io ka koe whola. Ai o tua. Ai au masilaki ai hele tāwhaka tōma. O whakia mai e ki mama. Ko e whaku. Ko kātuana ka uataha o Denise Hulitamoa. Ko tahine ko seipepa whai o Tasi. Ka i he hoa ko e lio ko kore seipepa. Whakapore mole o mea hake te mau sio te kātuana ka te mea mai ki mua.
Thank you for doing what you do. I love and appreciate you. Psalms 73, verse 26. My health may fail, my spirit may grow weak, but God remains the strength of my heart. He is mine forever. I love you very much.
le paia ka mo le bore me amai ki hoa.
Thank you for blessing me on my birthday, the song and worship. May God continue to bless you with strength and patience to do His good work. Romans 8, verse 28. And we know that God causes everything to work together for the good of those who love God and are called according to His purpose for them. Thank you for everything you do for me. I may not have told you, but I've always felt so blessed to have you around me. Proverbs 3, verse 13 to 14. Joyful is the person who finds wisdom, the one who gains understanding. Her wisdom is more profitable than silver, and her wages are better than gold. I love you all.
Porque foi a Marieta,
You are the superhero of my life, and I thank God for the blessing of you. 1 Corinthians 16, verse 13 to 14. Be on guard, stand firm in the faith. Be courageous, be strong, and do everything with love. Love you very much.
It's a real cake. The last cake. Courtesy of Salt Cakery, my childhood friend Anna Salt, baked this beautiful Bible for Denise. When they offer, when they marry, no. Malo to our